Hello children. In previous class, we discussed about what is the map, what are the uses of the maps, what kind of maps, different kinds of maps like physical maps, political maps, historical maps, population maps, what are the uses of the maps we discussed. Then two friends, Laila and Malika, their conversation. Laila visited Malika house. Then Malika explained to Laila about directions. What are the directions like east, west, north, south? She explained. Laila learnt from the Malika about directions. Now, in this class, we are going to learn about some other things like scale or distance on the map. Scale, distance on the map. Scale, distance. Malika took Laila to their village stream and they walked over the beach. Now once look at this beach. When Malika and Laila came back to home, Laila wanted to draw the sketch of the beach. Then she started drawing on a paper. When Laila was drawing the 6 lamp posts, originally from first lamp post to 6th lamp post 500 meters, but she took only 5 centimeters from first last lamp post to 6th lamp post, originally 500 meters, but this Laila took only 5 centimeters distance from first post to 6th post, because we cannot take this 500 meters distance on the map. We should reduce. That is why this Laila now took only 5 centimeters from first pole to 6th lamp post. Now first lamp post to second lamp post, she took only 1 centimeter. From second to third only 1 centimeter distance, and again 1 centimeter, and again 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. From first to second 1 centimeter, second to third 1 centimeter, third to fourth 1 centimeter, fourth to fifth 1 centimeter. From finally 5th lamp post to 6th lamp post, she took only 1 centimeter distance. Actual distance 500 meters, but she drawn with only 5 centimeters. This is a scale. Now, what is the meaning of the scale is the ratio between two places on the map to the original distance of the ground. Ground distance and map distance. The ratio distance between map distance and ground distance known as scale. See the here. Map distance 5 centimeters, but originally actually on the ground 500 meters. The scale means the ratio distance between two places on the map to the actual distance of the ground. This is known as scale. The use of the scale is to show actual distance on the ground by reducing it on the map. That is a scale. In previous class, we discussed about that Malika and Laila conversation. Finally, Laila reached Venkatapuram bus stand. Malika sent one sketch map to the Laila. In that sketch map, original bus stand, original house of Mallika, we cannot draw. In that sketch map, Mallika drawn bus stand, Mallika house, streets, some buildings, school. She drawn in that sketch map. Maps are very small. In that small maps, we cannot draw original building, original bus stand, original school building, original railway station. In that small maps, to show the bus stand, to show the house, to show the railway stations, we are using some symbols. Generally, map makers are using appropriate symbols for different purposes. Most of the people are using some common symbols for showing that original pictures, original buildings or railway stations. They are using some symbols, commonly using symbols. Most of the people using common symbols on the map. That common symbols are known as conventional symbols. That conventional symbols now we can see here. We cannot show a real post office building. Instead of that, we are using PO, post office. If you are writing PO on that map, that is post office. And same, we cannot show real railway station on the map. We are using RS symbol for railway station. And trees also. It is a symbol of the tree. It is a symbol of the tank. Kacha road and Pakka road. See the small difference here? Kacha road and Pakka road. We are using the symbols in the map. Masjid, symbol of the masjid, symbol of the temple, symbol of the church. And here another two railway stations. See, another here two railway. One is here meter gauge railway, broad gauge railway, meter gauge railway, broad gauge railway. Here also small difference. You can observe this: meter gauge railway, broad gauge railway. In this video, we discussed about scale, distance on the map, then symbols. What are the uses of the symbols? Why we are using the symbols in preparing maps? Next, what are the conventional symbols or common symbols which are used by most of the map makers? We discussed here. In next video, we will meet with another new topic. Thank you.